Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Nur Nabiah binti Jani daripada kelas DKA 4B. Nombor mencik saya adalah 11 DKA 19F1043. Okey, hari ini saya akan terangkan tentang simulation dan untuk jet water. First, click or tap on the start button to start the experiment. Second, the water shall flowing through the pipe. The level in the jet shall start rising. Third, the water will go through the nozzle and hit the flat and displace the scale. Fourth, try to change the flow speed by using control flow speed glider. Bringing the glider to the left will slow down the water flow, whereas bringing it to the right will speed it up. Fifth, the control flow speed glider is dynamic, can be changed midway when the water filling up too. Sixth, click or tap on the reset button to restart the experiment afresh with empty apparatus. This experiment of water jet force impact of jet. Okay. The objective is to investigate jet force impacting against stationary deflector. Okay. Next, the objective is to compare the experimental result with the theoretically calculate value. Okay. The theory, impact of jet apparatus enable experiment to be carried out on the reaction force produced on the vanes when a jet water impact on the vane. The study of this reaction force is an essential step in the subject of mechanics of fluid that can be applied to the hydraulic machinery such as Pelton well and the impulse turbine. The theoretical jet force is calculated from the principle of linear momentum. The density of raw of the water is 1000 kg per meter square. So force mass at variable of velocity. When rho is density of fluid, A for area of nozzle, V1 is for first velocity, V2 is for second velocity. This is where we can use this. First is for the flat plate, and second for hemisphere, third for slope, and fourth is for cone. The apparatus is hydraulic bench. Second in impact of jet apparatus. In impact of jet is have a loading, deflector, stopwatch. So this is of impact of jet apparatus and unit description. Okay. Okay, this is for procedure of the experiment. We can apply the procedure. So this is the data. Measured value of plate, and second for measured value for hemisphere, we use 118 deflection. Third is measured value for cone, 135 deflection, and we have to use the note at here. So this of the result, and the tree of table is the result. So the discussion is the comparison of the four bodies with completing the table below. So this we can plot the graph with the measured versus calculate force for the different factors. So this is for analysis. We calculate the data. So the discussion is for the flat plate, the value of loading is heavier, the loading placed on the top equipment post. For the hemisphere, there are more fluctuate load put on the apparatus. This is because the large loading leads to the cone that approach the water jet more closely, reducing the time it takes for the water jet to reach the plate and resulting in a higher estimate force. However, when the cone is too close, the water jet, the compute force diminishes as the water bounces back toward the water jet, delaying the calculated force. To sum up, we may say that the finding we obtained for the theoretical and experimental value of both incorrect. This is owing to the fact the discrepancy between the theoretical and experimental value is 433%, which is significant difference. The inaccuracy of the instrument assumption and retention made using the experiment and human error are the main of failure. Okay, thank you for the watching.